Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear student, yes we already learned about the main verb and auxiliary verb. Yes or no? So in today's class we are going to take a revision about it. So here some sentences are there. Okay, one by one what we will do, we will find out the main verb and which is the auxiliary verb in these sentences. So you know that the main verb in a sentence that tells what the subject does or is. So when you ask the question to the verb, in this verb you can understand that what that particular subject means what? Yes, first person. Okay, so subject, what it will do and what it will does or what it is it doing, that it tells about that. Okay, so here, and helping verbs are help to the main verb that tells about an action or make a statement. So here for example, see here, read each sentences, circle the main verb and underline the helping verb. So here already I did, you just read it. We are going to the store for milk. So here going, what it is? Going is a, what you have to do? Main verb. Going, for that you have to circle. And are, am, is, are, was, were, these all are helping verb here. So here are is there. So are is what it is? Yes, are is helping verb. It is helping to the main verb. Next, I will help you in the kitchen. So I will help you. Help is main verb and will. Okay, it is showing the tense. Okay, whether it is past, present or future. So will is usually used in a future tense. So will is what it is? Auxiliary verb or helping verb. Next, he has taken this test once before. So he has taken this test here. So here third one is there, that in that taken is main verb. So we circled here. And has is supporting to this taken. So has is helping verb. Next, the shoe is missing from the closet. Okay, the shoe missing is from the closet. So missing is a main verb and here is what it is? Helping verb. Next, my mother is waiting in the parking lot. So waiting is main verb and is what here? Helping verb. You will want dessert soon. Yes, you will want dessert soon. So want, what it is? Want is main verb and will is helping verb. The bird has followed the leader in the sky. So followed, what it is? Followed is main verb and had is a supporting, or you can say that helping verb. Next, I was wishing for an pony. So here wishing what? Wishing is a main verb and was, okay, it is a helping verb here. Next, he has asked for a new new skateboard. So ask what it is? Main verb and has here helping verb. These horses have lived here for a year. So here lived is also main verb and have helping verb. So here some examples of the helping verb I will tell you. So here, see here, auxiliary verb. Which are the auxiliary verb? Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, will, has, have, had, do, does and did. These all are auxiliary verb. Okay, and these all are supporting to the main verb. Okay, so here examples. I am sorry for what I have done. He is a great all-round player. You are never too old to learn. He was elected by an unanimous vote. The children were playing with a ball. Music will be played on a phonograph. This actress has been divorced from her husband. He will not play volleyball. He has bought some tropical fruits. Our guests have arrived. I had not seen him for 15 years. I do not feel like going out tonight. Does your job fulfill your expectations? Did you have a nice holiday? So these all are auxiliary verb. These all are comes in the tense. Okay, different tenses. For that we are using these auxiliary verbs, and where main verbs are different, these are the action words. Okay, so one more exercise is there. So here also small exercise, that is read each sentence, circle the main verb, underline the helping verb. If in exam if I ask like that, means you have to underline proper verb. Okay, which verb I told underline, that you have to underline. Which one I told circle, you have to circle it. So here see, first sentence, I was watching the mouse ran across the floor. So here main verb is watching, yes, and was helping verb here, okay, because it is past, okay, and here continuous. Next, the toy top has spun for 10 seconds already. So here spun is also verb, main verb, and has auxiliary verb. Next, my father will paint the model train with me. Okay, so here my father will paint. Paint is a main verb and will helping verb. She must remember many things today. So here remember what it is. Remember main verb is there and must helping verb. Next, they have exchanged gifts already. So here exchanged gifts already. They have exchanged what it is, main verb, and have helping verb. Now here see, circle the letters of the helping verbs that correctly complete the sentence. So which one is correct here? That is simple for better understanding. This I given. Okay, Sasha dash getting ready for school. So was getting ready for school. So was what here? Helping verb. Yes, we all dash helping by handing or handing our flyers. So here are, we all are helping. The class has finished the project. So the class has finished the project. So this all about main verb and auxiliary verb. So in exam you have to be practice for that, which are the main verb, which are the auxiliary verb. Okay, and what you have to do, these before that I shown you these sentences. Wait, here today's homework, what it is, you have to write down these 10 sentences and you have to circle the main verb and you have to underline the helping verb. Okay, so you have to properly read the sentence and then only you have to circle and you have to underline. Which one I told you just circle, that properly you have to circle, and which one we have to underline, that you have to underline. Okay, don't get confused. Main verbs are different, helping verbs are different. Just read once again, watch this video and just write down these all 10 sentences for exercise or as a exercise or a practice. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.